Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. In this video we're going to talk about boundary extraction. So what does boundary extraction mean? If we have this image, then extracting the boundary will mean all of the outer features are extracted. So this is our image and this is boundary extracted. It can be mathematically represented as boundary extracted image is equal to A, which is the original image, minus A erosion S, and S is our structuring element. Let's look at an example for a better clear explanation. And if this is our image and this is our structuring element, so first thing we do is add padding all around, that is 0 padding, and then we take our sub image and this is our B. So what we do after that is first A erosion S, A erosion B basically. So we put this entire thing on this, and erosion means if the origin is going to match, then only we are going to change the origin as 1 and other alls as 0. And if we take this as origin, we can see the origin is matching. So what we have done is we have changed it and other alls are kept as 0. This will later on change. So this is our final answer that we're getting after erosion. So after performing erosion, what we do is we do A minus A erosion B. So minus means we just subtract it. So if we have same value, when we subtract we will get 0, and if we have different values then we are going to get 1. So basically that is what we do. If both the pixels are same, then we are going to write 0, and if both pixels are different we are going to write 1. So this is our final image that we are getting after boundary extraction. So you can see we have extracted our boundary like this. So this is our boundary extraction. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.